Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to withdraw from Buy Me a Coffee. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and then make sure you are going to search the following in your internet browser. How to withdraw from Buy Me a Coffee. Once you arrive at the website, the first thing to do is scroll down on the left corner and then go to Payouts. Again, the website is buymeacoffee.com. Once you click on Payments, you'll now be redirected to Payouts section of the website. In here, there is an option or a button that says Withdraw. Of course, you need to see if you have your outstanding balance topped up. In here, once you click on Withdraw, you can choose a payout method. Once you click on the drop down, there are a lot of options. Direct bank deposit is also one of the best ways. If it's your first time, you will need to set it up. In here, there will be buttons or squares or rectangles, and we can put in our details over at our direct bank. First would be your full name, including any middle names. Then your date of birth, and then your country of residence. Once you are done with the first section, I won't be inputting my very own details for privacy reasons, but once you're done, all you have to do is click on the next button and everything should work out. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.